Hey guys, what's up? Here is a quick review of floors and ceilings. I know we've gone over this once, but I want to make sure that I've got a good video out for you. Alright, so a shortage, as a reminder, is when quantity demanded is quantity demanded is greater than quantity supplied. So what you see with that is you see that you have not enough supply to meet the demand, as represented in our graph here. You can see that when a price is below equilibrium, right, what will happen is we will have quantity 1, which is our quantity supplied, be less than our quantity 2, which is our quantity demanded. And that's kind of how we have to look at this, and we see a shortage represented by that box. A surplus, on the other hand, is when we have too much of something. Our quantity supplied is much greater than our quantity demanded. All right, and we can see that with that red line across the top here, that our quantity demanded is very low because the price is very high. The law of supply, the law of demand make these happen. Anyways, what we see with that is we just see that as an opportunity for us to kind of have a surplus. That surplus would be anything that's above that line there. Right? We take a look at a ceiling. A ceiling is the government imposed maximum price, and a floor is the government imposed minimum price for a good or service. What does that look like? It looks like this. There's our equilibrium point. See ya. Right? A price ceiling above the equilibrium, nothing happens. Market's fine. Price ceiling below, or price floor below the equilibrium, again, nothing happens. Everything's fine. That price is not affected by those floors or ceilings because the market is taking care of itself. Now, if we have a price floor above the equilibrium, we have an issue. Our quantity demanded is less than our quantity supplied, which means that we are going to have a surplus, right? Our quantity supplied is greater than our demand. We have extra lying around, right? If we have a price ceiling below the equilibrium part, we're going to have not enough supply to meet the demand. And again, it all follows the law of supply, the law of demand, and that's how we kind of work through and make this as something that regularly happens. So that is it today. So hopefully you guys can get that. What I want you guys to do is take a look at some reading on price floors and price ceilings. All right, highlight the author's points, circle the key points and words, and then cite your paragraphs for the answer. Have a wonderful day. Take care.